We're going to draw a box and whisker plot for the data set. Our numbers are listed below. Our numbers for our data set are listed from smallest to largest. If your numbers are not listed from smallest to largest, you need to reorder them so they are listed from smallest to largest. Once they're listed this way, you're going to find your 5-number summary. This consists of your lowest data value, your highest data value, your median of your data set, and then quartile 1 and quartile 3. Those 5 numbers are going to be used to construct your box and whisker plot. So we're going to begin with finding our 5-number summary. So first we're going to find the lowest data value and the highest data value. Our smallest number, our lowest data value in our data set is the number 30. Our highest data value is 100. From here, we're going to find the median of the data set. The median is the number in the middle of your data set. So we're going to cancel one number on the left with one number on the right until we reach our way to the middle. I'm going to visually show you by canceling, crossing them out, one on each side, one on the left, one on the right, until I get to the middle. Now for this example, we have one number in the middle. We have the number 45. Some examples will have 2 numbers in the middle. If you have 2 numbers in the middle, you would add them up and divide by 2. The median would be the average of the 2 middle numbers. But in this example, our median is 45. Notice how the median, this particular 45, splits our data set in half. We have a lower half and an upper half. Each half, if you count how many numbers are in each half, you have 7 numbers in the lower half. You have the 30, 32, 32, 35, 42, 45, and 45. So there's 7 numbers there. And then the upper half, you have 47, 54, 63, 70, 84, 94, 100. You have 7 numbers in the upper half. So remember, the median splits your data set in half, 50% and 50%. So after you find the median, you have to then continue on to find quartile 1 and quartile 3. Quartile 1 is just the median of the lower half of the data set. So I'm going to just look at the 30, 32, 32, 35, 42, 45, and 45. I'm going to find the median of these numbers now. So again, I'm going to show you I'm canceling a number on the left with one on the right until I work my way to the middle. For this example, I have one number in the middle. I have the number 35. So quartile 1 is 35. If you have 2 numbers in the middle, again, you would add them up and divide by 2, and that would be quartile 1. We're going to do the same thing for quartile 3. I'm going to list the upper half of the numbers in my data set I was given initially. So 47, 54, 63, 70, 84, 94, and 100. Then you're going to cancel one on the left with one on the right until you work your way to the middle. I land on 70. So my quartile 3 is 70. Notice how it splits the data set in half. For the upper half, you have 3 numbers smaller than 70. You have 3 numbers higher than 70. All right, so now I have my 5-number summary. So I'm going to start drawing my box plot. So I'm going to first plot points at my 5-number summary. So I'm going to put a point at 30. I'm going to draw a point at 100. Sorry. At 100. At 45. 45 is halfway between 40 and 50, so approximately right here. At 35, 35 is halfway between 30 and 40. And then at 70, That's my quartile 3. So I plotted my 5-number summary. Next step, I'm going to draw a box going from quartile 1 to quartile 3. So from 35 to 70, I'm going to draw a box. I'm going to draw it freehand on my slide. So here's 35, quartile 1. 70's over here, that's quartile 3, so there's my box. So next, I'm going to draw whiskers. Whiskers are just lines that extend from the box to the lowest data value and to the highest data value. So I'm going to just draw a line going from my box to the lowest, and then from the box to the highest data value. And then my last step, I'm going to draw a vertical line at the median. The median was at the 45. And that concludes drawing your box and whisker plot.